Okay, let's do it. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I am on school vacation and summer break, and I am not traveling. And every day, relax. It's very stressful. Don't you agree? When you do not have a purpose and a goal. Yeah, it's kind of you get the idea, teacher. Okay, so let's do something to lift up my day. I do not do makeup, do not do anything, so I was thinking maybe I should a little bit more serious today to do a makeup, and I will do a super duper quick makeup. So I do not put foundation because summertime I want it to be, I want the skin to be clean and breathable. So I do not need to put a layer of sticky foundation. Yeah, not only because of summer, it's because I am in this mood for now. Not in a rush, I still have time, but we all need a structure actually. Life without a structure, without a purpose, is very stressful, I feel. So this foundation, it's a face powder, is not to cover up anything, but to diffuse the light, to absorb a little bit of the raw, naked skin kind of a feeling, right? So when the light on your face, it diffuses a little bit, and also it's that layer of diffusion make your freckles less prominent, right? Otherwise it's just too prominent. So you add some color and add some focus on your face, just a teeny tiny little bit. You are not doing it for anybody else. You are doing it for your own feel, right? You feel you are paying attention to your life. Of course, there are a lot of people that feel comfortable without makeup. Me too. There are times I feel comfortable. But knowing that you have the freedom to do makeup or not to do makeup, that is the most important, right? You do not have to do it every day. You do not have to not to do it every day. You decide. Nobody can say anything. Everybody can say something, but nobody saying anything needs to be considered from your side, right? You can say whatever you like. You can do whatever you like. I live my life. I am the owner of my life, my decision, and that is more important, assuring than anything else. Don't you agree? There's nothing wrong to do makeup. Some people say not doing makeup is empowering, and there are movie stars not to do makeup so that they are empowering. Don't believe that. For our whole life, we do not do makeup, and or we are just our way. We are empowering. The media needs some news, and there is not so much good news, so they create this not worthy news, right? We know who we are. We know what is good for us, and that is enough. I feel this is a little bit dark. I like it a little bit lighter. But this darker color, the lip darker color, does make a focal point, and very subtle focal point. It's not the bright, shiny red. And I'm done. That's it. How many minutes? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Gulu gulu. Bye bye. However you decide, just live today with a little bit of attention, and that's all needed. I do not see the difference actually. No more, no less. Oh, I need to cut this one off. I cut it myself this week. How is it? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Gulu gulu. Bye bye. For good.